Exercise 4.3, question number 1. Multiply the fractions by the whole numbers. So here we need to multiply. So here this is a whole number, so we can write it down as 1. So now when we have to multiply the fractions with the whole number, we can see that 5 and 20, they are divisible by 5. They comes in table of 5, so we can divide them by 5. What we can do? 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. Now we are left with 4 upon 1 multiply by 4 upon 1. So 4 fours are 16 and 1 ones are 1. So answer is 16. Similarly, we will do the B part. You have to remember that we can cut the numbers up and down. We cannot cut 2 by 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. We cannot do like this. Up and down. So you can see 2 and 4, they are divisible by 2. So 2 ones are and 2 twos are. So we are left with 1 upon 2 multiply 8 upon 1. Now we can see again that 8 and 2 again are divisible by 2. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are. Okay? So now it is 1 upon 1 multiplied by 4 by 1. Now 4 ones are 4, 1 ones are 1. Fine. Now it's the one way, or you can do it in another way also. It is 2 by 4 multiplied by 8 by 1. 4 and 8 are divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are. So now we are left with 2 by 1 multiplied by 2 by 1. Now this 2 to 2 we cannot cancel. I told you up to up and down to down we cannot cancel. Fine. So 2 twos are 4. So answer is 4 by 1. Whichever method you opt, answer will come same. Similarly, we will solve the C part. It is 7 by 9 multiplied by 3 by 1. Now 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So we are left with 7 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 1. So 7 ones are 7, 3 ones are 3. So 7 by 3. Now D part. Here 2 and 10 are divisible by 2. So 2 ones are and 2 fives are 10. So it is 1 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 1. 6 by 5. This is the one way. Now similarly you can see here also 10 and 6 are divisible by 2. So you can divide 10 and 6 also by 2. 2 fives are 10 and 2 threes are 6. So we are left with 2 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by 1. So 5 ones are 5, 2 threes are 6. So whichever method you opt, answer will come same. Next part is E part. Now 28 multiplied by 2 by 6. Now 2 and 6 are divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So 1 by 3. So 28 we can write down here 1 also. So 28 upon 1 multiplied by 1 upon 3. So 28 into 1 is 28 and 3 into 1 is 3. Thank you.